Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav and in this video of Aspen Plus tutorial, I will tell you how to get or estimate the properties for a mixture as well as for pure component. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So for starting the video, you should know that how to create a blank simulation. So here we click on new, click on blank simulation and click on create. So in a meantime it will start creating a blank simulation. Till that time please subscribe to the channel. So in last video we have discussed about the various tabs that are present in the Aspen Plus. So in this video we are going to find the properties by using analysis tab. And I will tell you how to input components. So here we are given component ID. So suppose in this tutorial we are doing the analysis for benzene and toluene binary mixture. So here directly type benzene. So in this Aspen it will automatically detect that benzene is benzene is the benzene which is C6H6, because this is how Aspen works. If you are unable to find this benzene here, you can click on find. On clicking on find, you can click search here for benzene. So when you search and enter, it will search about benzene and then show the results here. So here are the results. So there are many results. So from here you can search for benzene. So this is the benzene and you can directly click here, add selected component and add it. But here we will try to add it directly. Now we will search another substance, that is toluene. So search toluene and click on enter. So now this is how we can select component in Aspen. So we have selected two components in Aspen. Now if you don't know anything what to do next, just click on next. So in next we have completed setup and components. So these two are completed, these 2 points are completed. Now here we are asked to give the base method. So what are base methods? So these are the property by which our program will try to estimate the properties. So here we have given benzene and toluene. So we have NRTL, ideal and all other methods, but we will check for each of them. But as of now, let's suppose it to be ideal. So ideal means it will use Raoult's law and Henry's law. So let's choose ideal. So ideal is chosen, no need to do anything. So here you can see blue tick mark has shown up. So this means that this method is also applied. So these three points are completed. Now we are interested in finding the pure properties or binary. So suppose we are first of all finding the binary properties. So without clicking next, directly go to binary analysis, click on it, it will open this tab. So first point is what to analyze. Here we have TXY, PXY, TXX, TXXY, PXXY and gives energy of mixing. So let us suppose we use TXY. Our component 1 is benzene, component 2 is toluene. So basis is on what basis you want to plot a graph or estimate the property. So we will choose mole fraction. Then which is the base component. So base component, suppose we are choosing benzene for the first time. Okay, let it be. Starting point is 0, ending point for x is 0 to 1 is the mole fraction ratio, end point and start point. Number of intervals be 50. Okay, increment of 0.02, let it be. And pressure. Okay, so if suppose we are given a pressure of some value, then you can change it here. Suppose we are given 10 bar, click here 10. Okay, so 10 bar. Now we will search, or we will estimate the properties based on 10 bar and on different temperature. So click on run analysis. Look, here it was before showing red color, but now it is showing required properties input complete. So click on run analysis. Okay, it will run analysis and then plot a graph. Okay, so here is the graph. It is based on the benzene. Okay, so what it shows is this green color line is the vapor phase, that is at 10 bar the vapor phase of benzene with respect to temperature. Temperature is in degree Celsius. So at 1, that is the fully this is the one fully vapor or fully liquid. Okay, so here it is x equal to 1, that is fully liquid. So at this point, see that the temperature of benzene is somewhat at this point. Okay, so it should be known to you. Moreover, in the liquid phase at 10 bar, this is the curve, or this is the point for each mole fraction with respect to temperature. Okay, so this is what the graph that we are looking for. You can click on here and choose for toluene. Okay, so this is the for toluene. So for toluene, this is the y, that is the vapor phase, and this is in the liquid phase. So this is how we can create TXY plot in Aspen for any binary mixture. Okay, you can click on here in result and see that total kilo, this is total kilo volume or something like that. So this is how you can see the mole fraction of benzene. Okay, so here mole fraction of benzene, the pressure is 10 bar at all the time. Mole fraction of benzene, it is increasing to 1, 0 to 1, and how temperature is changing. So at first the temperature is 216.6 degrees Celsius, and at last it comes to 178.627 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I hope you are clear. Okay, so this is how we can create binary plot, and in this case we have created TXY. You can create PXY by specifying temperature. Suppose we are specifying temperature to let us suppose 75 degrees Celsius, and we will create PXY and mole fraction and all thing remaining same. Run analysis. On clicking on run analysis, okay, so this is the curves. Or to get more details, just click on results. In results you can see temperature is 75 degrees Celsius, and this is how mole fraction of benzene changes with respect to pressure. So it is clear that 0.86 is the highest pressure at 1 and 0.32 is the lowest pressure. Okay, so this is how we can plot binary for benzene. Now if we want to change for toluene, just in the upper tab click on toluene. This is for toluene. So I hope I am clear up to this point. Okay, so this is how we can create PXY and TXY in Aspen. We can create PX also by clicking on this PX. It will show only PX. Okay, so this is how we can create binary plots. Now suppose we want to create the pure substance and to okay, so let me change the property and see what change are observed. Okay, so now I am changing this property to pangrob. Okay, and clicking on next. Okay, so no need to click on next. Pangrob binary. In binary, what we will do, we will change this pressure to 10 bar. We are finding txy. Click on run analysis. Okay, so click on run analysis, and yes, this is what we get. So let us compare the results. In binary 1, what we have discussed is txy. Okay, so in binary 1, that is the ideal case. We calculate txy. Okay, so this is what we get in binary 1 plot. Okay, so in binary plot, this is what we have got. This is, I think, is based on the ideal case, and this one is on the pangrob method. So there is a minute change in properties, that is some temperature change. Okay, so this is how there is some change in the results too based on the properties. Now we will try to estimate the ideal properties or the pure properties. So go to method, click on pure. Okay, so when we open the pure properties, you will see property method. You have ideal and pangrob. Here we have components, so we will choose both of them. Okay, so we have chosen both of them for estimation of pure property. Property type is, let us choose all property. Now this is what we have to find. So let us suppose we want to find constant pressure heat capacity, that is Cp value. So click on Cp, choose the limits, that is suppose we are choosing joule per kilomole Kelvin. Okay, so phase, let us choose vapor and liquid, both phase. Okay, pressure is 10 bar. Let the temperature be in degree Celsius. Click on run analysis. It will run. Okay, so this is what the typical graph for temperature versus Cp looks like. So for 0 to 100 degree Celsius, the value of Cp is linear. For this is the liquid for toluene, liquid toluene. Next, this Cp value is for liquid benzene. Third green is vapor toluene, and fourth is vapor benzene. Let us see the results. Okay, so in order to see the results, click on results. Here are the results. You can directly copy this full table in your Word file and analyze it. Okay, here we have adding curve. So suppose we want to do some curve fitting, we can do it here. So this is the value of Cp in vapor benzene, vapor toluene, liquid benzene and liquid toluene at 10 bar pressure and change in temperature with the 0 to 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is how we can estimate the properties. So I hope I am clear. So this video is of 15 minutes only. In next video we will try to do some simulation, or I will give you a brief of simulation how to do it. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. You can choose any other property and play with it. Also you can choose different methods, like suppose we have chosen pangrob, you can choose any other method and play with it. In next video I will tell you what are the significance of each methods. So thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Chemical Engineer. Thank you.